Hey there, YouTube fam! Get ready for a game-changing unboxing experience as we dive into the highly anticipated world of audio with the HOLLYLAND LARK Max, touted as the DJI mic killer. In today's video, we're peeling back the layers of this revolutionary microphone to uncover its jaw-dropping features and performance. Say goodbye to the ordinary and hello to a new era in audio excellence. Does the HOLLYLAND LARK Max truly live up to the hype and stand as a formidable competitor against the popular DJI mic? Join me as we unbox, explore, and put this mic through its paces to find out if it's the new reigning champ in the world of portable audio. Make sure to stick around until the end for an exciting audio test that might just change the way you think about microphones. Let the unboxing adventure begin, unveiling the HOLLYLAND LARK Max, a game-changer in portable audio. Prepare to be blown away by the HOLLYLAND LARK Max's standout features that make it a true DJI mic killer. First and foremost, its unparalleled wireless connectivity steals the spotlight, offering a seamless audio experience without the hassle of tangled cords. With a robust transmission range and low latency, this mic ensures you stay connected and capture crystal-clear audio, whether you're on the move or shooting in challenging environments. Additionally, the HOLLYLAND LARK Max boasts an impressive battery life, allowing you to record for extended periods without the fear of running out of power. Say goodbye to constant recharging interruptions and hello to uninterrupted high-quality audio capture. Why you should claim your HOLLYLAND LARK Max. Today, choosing the HOLLYLAND LARK Max is not just a preference, it's a strategic move for anyone serious about elevating their audio game. Its dual-channel recording capability opens up a world of possibilities, enabling you to capture interviews, conversations, or ambient sounds with unmatched clarity. The microphone's compact and user-friendly design ensures that even beginners can dive into professional-grade audio recording effortlessly. Whether you're a content creator, vlogger, or filmmaker, the HOLLYLAND LARK Max is designed to meet your diverse audio needs, offering a reliable and top-tier solution that sets it apart from the competition. Claim yours now. Elevate your audio experience. Don't miss out on the audio revolution. Head over to the HOLLYLAND website or your preferred retailer to claim your HOLLYLAND LARK Max today. Experience the freedom of wireless audio, the power of extended battery life, and the versatility of dual-channel recording. Elevate your content creation, make your vlogs stand out, and capture moments with unprecedented clarity. The HOLLYLAND LARK Max is not just a microphone. It's your gateway to a new era of audio excellence. Act now and take the first step toward transforming your content into a professional masterpiece. Upgrade your audio game with HOLLYLAND LARK Max, because exceptional sound deserves an exceptional microphone.